Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Students, today we will recite our next poem. On my blackboard, I can draw. This is Unit 7, and this is the poem. On my blackboard, I can draw. So, let us start our poem. On my blackboard, I can draw one little house with one green door, two brown gates that open wide, three red steps that led inside, four little chimneys painted white, five little windows shining bright, six yellow marigolds straight and tall, growing up against the wall. In this poem, poet wants to say that we can draw different things on a blackboard. Here, one little house with one green door. One little house with, what is the color of the door? Green. Okay. Next, two brown gates that open wide. How many gates are there? Two gates are there. They are brown in color and they are open wide. Three red steps that led inside. Here are three steps that led inside the house. Four little chimneys painted white. There are four chimneys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four chimneys that are painted white. Five little windows shining bright. How many windows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Five little windows. They are white in color. Okay. Next is five little windows shining bright. These windows are shining bright. Okay. Six yellow marigolds straight and tall. Look at this. How many marigolds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 marigolds are there and they are straight and tall. They are tall and straight. And growing up against the wall. They are growing up against the wall. Okay, students. Marigold is the name of a flower. Here are some new words of the poem. Gates, gates. Wide, wide. Lead, lead. Chimney, chimney. Marigolds, marigolds. Straight, straight. So, this was our poem. On my blackboard, I can draw. Now, let us look at its exercise work. Reading is fun. How many windows does the house have in this poem? Now, look at this. How many windows are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, this house has 5 windows. Or you can simply write 5. Okay. Next, where do the marigolds grow? So, look here. Where do the marigolds grow? Marigolds grow up against the wall. Okay. So, we can write marigold grow against the wall. Now, look at this. Draw, drain, drip, brown, brain, brick, three, throw, thread, grow, grapes, grey. Okay, you will read these words aloud. Okay, students. Now, look at this. Every room becomes dirty if not cleaned. Let us clean our classroom while singing this poem. Okay? Poem is, I am going to sweep the dirt away. I am going to sweep the dirt away. I am going to sweep the dirt away. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Okay? This is a small little poem. You can also help your mother at home. Okay, students, in sweeping the house. Next, let us write. There are the two rooms of the house. Okay, and on this page, there are two rooms of the house. One room is here and another room is here. Now, color them. You have to color them according to your choice. Next, based on this activity, complete the paragraphs. Based on this activity, you have to complete the paragraphs given near them. Okay, look at this. Name this room. Here is a bed. So, this is a bedroom. Okay, students. Here are sofa set and TV. So, this is a drawing room. So, let us see what is given in the paragraph. This is my, what is this? This is a bedroom. So, you will simply write here bedroom. This is my bedroom. It has dash windows. How many windows are there? Look at this. Only one window is there. So, you will write here one. It has one window. Next, the color of my bed is, here the color of the bed is blue, but it is blue, but we can also write here as it is brown in color. Okay, you can write the color of your bed. Okay, students, there are dash pictures on the wall. How many pictures are there on the wall? There are 1, 2, 3 pictures. Okay, so we will write here 3. So in this way, this paragraph is complete. Okay, next one is, this is a dash. What is this? This is a drawing room. So you will simply write here drawing room. It has dash in it. It has sofa set in it. Okay, you will write here sofa set in it. We watch dash here. We watch TV here. It has dash curtains. How many curtains are there? 2. 2 curtains are there. It has 2 curtains. It has dash table. How many tables are there? Only one table is there. Okay, in the middle of the room. Okay, you will write it has one table. So in this way, this paragraph is also complete. Okay, students, you can add some more sentences in it. For example, there is a flower vase, there is a tube light. Okay, okay, students. Now look at page number 108. Using the pictures as clues, fill in the blanks. Here pictures are given in the form of clues. Okay, you will look at the picture and fill in the blanks. He is as busy as a bee. Bee is considered as a busiest insect. Okay, next is Raj is as slow as a, what is this? Snail. A snail walks very slowly. So Raj is compared with snail. Raj is as slow as a snail. Next is the pen is as light as a, what is this? This is a feather. Next is my hair is as black as, this is night scene. So you will write here night. My hair is as black as night. Next, ask your friend to keep his mouth wide open. This is wide open. Keep his mouth half shut. This is half shut. And keep his mouth fully shut. This is fully shut. Okay, students, you can perform this activity with your brothers and sisters. Okay, ask someone to close the door using the words wide open, half shut and fully shut. You can use these terms to close the door. Okay, students, now let us look at page number 109. Find the right sentences. Read the pairs of sentences below. Fill in the blanks in the second sentence with the opposite of the word in red. The word which is written in red color, you will write its opposite in the next line. Okay, in the blank space. First one is the boy is running very fast. The boy is walking very fast. का opposite क्या हो जाएगा? Slow. So you will write here slow. Next, the clown is very happy. The clown is very happy. Opposite of happy is sad. Next, the girl is walking on a loose rope. The girl is walking on a, opposite of loose is tight. T-I-G-H-T. Tight rope. So you will fill these blanks with the opposite of the words which are written in red color. Okay, students? Change from singular to plural by adding es, ies and ves. Okay, students? For example, buffalo, buffalo. Its plural is buffaloes, means one and many. Okay. Next is hero. Plural of hero is heroes. So we add here es. Next is potato. Potato. Plural of potato is potatoes. toes. Again we add here es. Okay, students? es. babies, babies. Then fly, flies. Lady, ladies. Next, knife, knife, knives. knives. Wolf, wolf, wolves. Loaf, loaves. Okay, what you have observed here, आपने ये देखा कि कई जो वन थिंग है उसको मैनी में चेंज करने के लिए आप यूज कर रहे हैं es. Okay, for example, buffalo, when you change it to plural you add es. Hero, you add es. Potato, to plural you add es. But when a word end with y, look at these words, baby, this end with y, fly end with y, lady end with y. So when we make plural of these words, then you will simply cut y and add ies. Okay, so plural of baby is babies. Fly is y को आपने काट देना है and you will add ies. Flies. Lady, y को काट देना है आपने प्लूरल बनाने के लिए और आपने ऐड क्या करना है ies. नेक्स्ट वन इज वाई, नाइफ. हेयर एफ ई को आपने कट कर देना है और आपने ऐड क्या करना है ves. ओके, ves. नेक्स्ट WOLF, एफ को कट करके आपने लगाना है ves. यहाँ पर भी लोफ, एफ को कट करके आपने क्या लगाना है ves. तो इसमें आपने देखा कि जो भी वर्ड्स आपके वाई से एंड हो रहे हैं तो उनको आपने प्लूरल में चेंज करने के लिए IES का यूज किया, और जो भी एफ या FE से चेंज एंड हो रहे हैं जो वर्ड्स, उनका प्लूरल बनाने के लिए आपने क्या यूज किया VES. इसकी मैं एक से अलग से वीडियो बनाकर आपको डाल दूंगी, सिंगुलर प्लूरल. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नो दिस इज फन टाइम. परफॉर्म these activities at home. Can you crawl like a baby? Okay, then crawl, crawl, crawl. You will imitate the baby. Next, can you hop like a grasshopper? Hop, hop, hop like a grasshopper. Next, can you zoom like an aeroplane? Zoom, zoom, zoom. तो आपने ये एक्टिविटीज अपने आप परफॉर्म कर लेनी है घर में. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो ये था आपका चैप्टर. पोएम आपकी थी ये, ऑन माई ब्लैक बोर्ड आई कैन ड्रॉ. आई होप कि आप सभी बच्चों को ये समझ में आ गई होगी. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू वेरी मच.